Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Firstly, I am honored for getting this opportunity and it's my pleasure to introduce myself. I am Salwa Asif Parkar from Chiplun. Gratitude is the inward feeling of kindness received. Thankfulness is the natural impulse to express that feeling. Understanding and speaking Arabic is one of my dreams. It was really challenging for me to start doing it myself. Your kindness made me feel welcomed and comfortable. You taught me with such great patience so that I understand all the concepts easily. Even if I was prepared, I was nervous. I stumbled upon words that I was confident with. You made it far more understandable than I thought it would be. You encouraged me by telling that I was on the right track. You helped me reach my goal in a way I couldn't have reached. At the time when a person returns home after a long tiring day, you made time for us by overworking yourselves. Hats off to your efforts and sacrifices. Because if it wasn't for your guidance, I would be nowhere here giving a heartfelt speech, nor I would have got the amazing experience of learning through without much stress. Jazakumullahu khairan kathiran kathira fi darain. All these days were fun, learning something new at the end of the day. I thank you on behalf of my class for the patience you had all along. I don't have the right words to thank you. It is quite a difficult task. Your positivity made me confident, and so did the hint of scoldings. You motivated me to begin this chapter. I couldn't have done it without you. I am going to cherish these memories a lot. The way I used to start blabbering wrong answers very confidently. I hope I get this guidance in future too. When I take my next step, praying for your support. May Allah shower all His blessings on my Jamia Qura, my teachers, my classmates, and the Ummah of Muhammad. Peace be upon him. Ameen.